कचरे से लाखों कमाओ।
A plastic machine manufacturing company giant. He calls himself as a giant because right now his present deals at around 80 crores plus. So this person learned the technique which is called as an 𝑐𝗃𝗲𝗿. The video went viral. It has got more than 6 to 7 million views. On that night itself, he got more than 1,200 to 1,600 calls. At this point of time, his team was not ready. The team had no idea how to do. He himself was not ready how to handle so many class customers, and he became in a completely baffled situation. He said, "Dada, what do I do with so much of need, so much of money is there on the table? What to be doing on these things? I don't have time. My team is not trained enough to handle such kind of calls. My entire life, whatever I have done, now everything is at stake. And I have got so much of tools and systems and capital investment onto this. I have invested so much money in marketing. What do I do now?" If you are somebody like that who has something which is stuck in your marketing and sales, let me tell you, I did something for Arindam and he cleaned all these things. Now this person can handle not one, not two. I sat with him for only 45 minutes. We created an entire structure with an automation with an VI and a BI. You were thinking, oh, what is VI? It's called as virtual intelligence, and AI is an artificial intelligence. We use these two different techniques now. He can handle not one, but he can handle lakhs of customers in any given point of second. How did I do all these things? Today, his entire company has grown to multiple crores only with this one technique. If you are somebody who is stuck on such kind of issues, connect with me. Let's have a one-to-one. Let's see if we can mutually help each other. I'll see you at the session.